The California legislature is making another attempt to make cancer treatment pills more affordable. A new bill would cap the amount of money insurance companies could charge for chemotherapy pill prescriptions at $100. 23 ABC's Tiffany Martin is in studio with that story.
Thanks, Todd. Insurance and health plans generally cover chemo treatments other than a small copay, but pill prescriptions can cost up to thousands of dollars. But this new bill could make a drastic difference in the pockets of patients as well as their health. Even though the prescription pills may be a better form of treatment for certain types of cancer, the cost is far too high. Assemblymember Henry Perea says the cost means many people who could benefit from the pills all too often have to go without.
So when you have a cancer patient who has to pay $8,000 to $10,000 per month out of pocket, it just makes their treatment unaffordable. So we found that 1 in 4 cancer patients who could take advantage of oral chemotherapy just go without treatment because they just can't afford it.
Dr. Cartmel at Comprehensive Blood and Cancer Center said the prescription drug has fewer side effects over the IV chemotherapy and in most cases is more beneficial.
Any particular drug, whether it's a pill or an IV, has its own side effect profile. But I think in a general sort of way, pills are less toxic than IV treatments.
Daryl Dugan is a cancer patient receiving IV chemotherapy and feels that if the current pill prescriptions were cheaper, he would take that route, but right now the costs are too high.
And if insurance covered 80%, which is what mine covers, it'd still be a burden financially, and you might not get the treatment because of it.
Dr. Cartmel says now that the pills may cost less, more of his patients will finally be able to afford the prescription and get the medication they deserve.
My patients would really appreciate this, every last one of them, because it just will save them a lot of money, but it will also enable a substantial number of patients to take treatments that they couldn't.
A similar bill was introduced last year but was vetoed. But Perea says he's worked with the governor and insurance companies to get this bill even more chances of passing. In the studio, Tiffany Martin, 23 ABC.